Hi everyone, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube and also on Facebook as Vanessa Angel Rose, Crafters United to Craft, and I will have all the links down below. I'm here today with the January 2020 challenge from Pamela, who is Gypsy Girl Crafts here on YouTube. And this challenge was started by Shaz, who is Crafty Seasons here on YouTube. And Pamela's choice was to do an altered mirror. So I have a Dollar Tree mirror. It's mirrored on both sides, but this side I took and I covered it with some of this purple sequin fabric. Okay. And I also covered it with a piece of denim that I covered with some fabric lace. Okay, and then I went in with this trim here all the way around on both sides. Whoops, I don't want the mirror to shine in y'all's face. Let me see if I can fix this to where it doesn't come off. Tape this over here and on the bottom, and we can get going again. See, I ruffled it up on both sides, and I like the way it turned out. Now also put some eyelash trim, which is this one here, and between the ruffle lace and the trim here, which I got from Miss Margaret, and this lace I think came from Miss Margaret also. Eyelash trim, I bought that at Ocean State Job Lot for $1 a long time ago. And my picture came from a friend who has a file I will not reveal. This trim here also came from, I don't remember, but I think I got it from Walmart or I purchased it from someone. If I can find it, I will link everything down below. This purple and white flower here came from Trico. This lace here came from a friend. So, and to flip it over, y'all can see all the denim and stuff at the bottom, and everything's done with a hot glue tool. Okay, and here's the other side, which I also did with the lavender colored lace, the same lace as I ran this lace on both sides at the bottom, along with, where is my trim? This trim here, whoops, on both sides. Now these were given to me by a friend, and I love the way it turned out. Pamela, I hope you like this, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Stay happy, stay crafty, and I will see you all next time. Bye bye for now.